In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Minecraft shaders black screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So as you can see, these shaders are working properly. Of course, it is lagging a lot because I'm recording this video simultaneously, but the point is, you can clearly see that it works. I have an AMD CPU and GPU, and I'm still able to play without any issues. So let's go over the most common reasons and why this happens. First of all, this usually happens because you have outdated drivers. So always update the drivers on your GPU. If you aren't sure which graphics card you have, right-click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, and under Display Adapters, you will be able to see it here. You should have an AMD GPU or NVIDIA GPU. Intel also has some dedicated graphics card models, and you can also update the drivers on those, but I won't mention them because I assume most people will not be using them. If you have integrated graphics, then sadly, running shaders will be extremely difficult. Integrated graphics often cannot handle shaders, and if that's the case, then there's not much that you can do. For AMD and NVIDIA, go over to their websites and you will be able to find your specific graphics card. For example, I have a Radeon RX 7900 XTX. If you have an NVIDIA card, you go over here, you choose GeForce, usually for gamers, then the series like 50 series, 40 series, you select the model, and you download the drivers. Another thing to update is the Minecraft version and the Iris or Optifine version that you are using. Of course, you shouldn't mix all of them together, but if you are using the proper version for them, then you won't encounter any problems while getting this done. It's always important to keep them up to date, and you will be able to manage. So as you can see, I am using Iris 1.8.0 plus Minecraft 1.21.1. If you don't match the versions properly, you will encounter issues. The last thing to be aware of is the version of the shaders that you are using. Shaders also have versions, and you must always keep them up to date. If you aren't using the proper versions of the shaders, then you will encounter problems. So go over to their website. For example, complementary shaders can be found on the CurseForge website, and it's always important that you check for new releases. As you can see, this one was updated in January of this year, 2025. So by updating the actual shaders, you will also be able to fix issues. And finally, if you notice that you are having a black screen with only one of these shaders, you can go over to the shader pack settings and try to mess with the settings here. Try lowering the profile and see if it works. If it works, bump it up until you encounter a problem, and then you can explore individual settings to see what is causing it. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft shaders black screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.